Alright, this is also an Anchor Foundation repair. Sorry it's a little bit loud here on the job site right here. But this is actually the drilling and belling process going on right now. So this right here is going to be the auger that we actually use to drill out the pier and get down to that 10 to 12 foot depth there. And then these guys back here in the back, they just dropped the beller down in the hole, and they're actually going to begin cutting out the bell bottom to the bottom of that pier there. We'll wait just a moment. It's going to get really noisy, but they're going to start belling out that bottom there, and then they'll pull it back up after they make their cut. Here they go. Making out the cut right now. So we've got another one going on in process. Just drilling down. Got some guys moving some dirt around. They're pulling up the drills right now. There they go. So there is the beller itself. They're going to clean it off, and they'll make another pass on it here in just a moment. And that's the auger bit when it comes up with all the dirt on it, and we'll clean that off and make another pass as well. That's what it looks like when we're actually drilling and belling out some piers.